above the mark of 1,000 rupees. Gaurav, thank you for that. Now, the big story of the day has to be the revision in the CGHS norms, and that has led to all of these hospital stocks moving in today's trading session. And be it Apollo Hospitals, be it Fortis, and the impact on the hospitals, and that is visible in the price, of course, as you're seeing in the price action. Ekta is joining in to break that down for us, the norms and the impact that it has on the hospitals. Ekta, take it away.
Well, yes, hospitals are in focus because CGHS, which is basically the central government health scheme, which is for central government employees in terms of cashless payment in impaneled hospitals, their rates have been revised for the first time significantly since 2014. Now, the government has revised rates for nearly 2,000 medical procedures under the CGHS scheme, and the rate comes into effect this month itself. Many hospitals, or some of the hospitals at least, were refusing to take cashless treatment because of the receivables which were piling up, as well as the hospitals saying that the package rates were outdated and did not account for medical inflation since 2014. Now, hospitals say that this will be a positive change. They need to assess the revenue impact, but they are expecting cash flows to improve, and receivables, which have been improving, would probably sustain and improve going forward. Now, in terms of the companies or the hospitals that would be impacted would depend on the payer mix. For example, Fortis, CGHS revenue is around 4.3% in terms of the payer mix. Apollo, their exposure is around 9% to government. Max, institutional exposure is quite large at around 21.8%. Global Health is at around 18%, with CGHS probably hovering at around 10%. And Narayana is around 18% from schemes as well. And Yatharth too has a large exposure to the government schemes. It could be over around 30% in terms of the total payer mix. So overall, yes, it is positive in terms of the CGHS revision which has taken place. It is expected to improve cash flows, and receivables, which have been improving, should probably be on an uptrend for these hospitals.
All right, Ekta, thank you so much for joining us and explaining to us what this move means for the pharma and the hospital space.